Do you recognize this texture? Especially when I hold it sideways. If you've been following the news, you probably saw a new tech accessory released by Apple a few weeks ago. It is called an iPhone Pocket and is in fact a small pouch for carrying a smartphone around. But what is really remarkable about this accessory is its texture. Designed by the Issey Miyake brand, the Pocket is made of a set of three-dimensional tube-like elements. But when the fabric is stretched, we see sets of delicate eyelets in between those bulky tubes. Very clever. It took me a while, but I managed to reverse engineer this texture and adapt it for hand knitting. And this is the stitch that we are going to explore during the upcoming monthly workshop. It is a live online event that is exclusive to all members of the 10 Rows a Day Club. So if you'd like to make smartphone pockets as holiday gifts for friends and family, join the club before the workshop begins tomorrow, Saturday, December the 6th at noon Eastern Time. The link is in the description.